Today I am reviewing the EUHOMY 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the standout features of this EUHOMY AC is its fast cooling capability. With a maximum wind speed of 350 cubic meters per hour and an impressive cooling range that can bring room temperatures down to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, you get quick relief from hot summer days. The unit's 16-foot air supply distance means cool air is delivered effectively across the room, ensuring you feel comfortable no matter where you are. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply move the unit to your desired room. Attach the securely sealed hose and a universal window adapter to your standard sliding window, and you're ready to enjoy cool air. The adjustable blades let you direct airflow precisely where you want it, enhancing the comfort experience. This model isn't just an air conditioner, it's a smart 3-in-1 device. It combines air conditioning, a dehumidifier, and a fan, offering versatile performance for different weather conditions. The fan mode lets you circulate air when you don't need cooling, and the dehumidifier function can remove up to 51 pints of moisture per day, helping reduce humidity and prevent mold or dampness. When using the dry mode or during high humidity, be sure to connect the drainage pipe to avoid water buildup. The pipe can be connected to either the middle or bottom drainage outlet for hassle-free, continuous drainage. The EUHOMY Portable AC also shines when it comes to quiet operation. With a noise level around 52 decibels in sleep mode, it ensures a peaceful night's rest without distracting humming or buzzing. The 24-hour programmable timer lets you set the unit to turn on or off automatically at your preferred times, saving energy and ensuring your room is always comfortable when you need it. Energy efficiency is a key advantage here. The unit features an optimized compressor that lowers power consumption, helping reduce your electricity bills. Additionally, when the ambient temperature reaches the preset cooling level, the machine automatically shuts off to conserve energy. This is a smart feature, not a malfunction. The control panel on the EUHOMY AC is intuitive and user-friendly, complemented by a remote control with a 23-foot range. You can easily adjust the temperature, switch between modes, set timers, or activate sleep mode from across the room. Perfect for convenience whether you're relaxing on the couch or lying in bed. The remote even lets you toggle temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Mobility is made easy with 360-degree rolling wheels and ergonomic hidden handles, so you can move the unit effortlessly from room to room. Its compact design and lightweight build add to its portability, making it an excellent choice for renters or anyone who needs a flexible cooling solution. Before purchasing, keep in mind the window installation kit comes with adjustable panels, but may require trimming if your window size falls between 25.6 and 36 inches to ensure a perfect seal. Overall, the EUHOMY 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner offers a well-rounded package with fast cooling, dehumidification, quiet operation, and easy portability. If you want a reliable, all-in-one climate control device that fits medium-sized rooms, this unit delivers excellent value and performance for the summer season and beyond.